Tornado warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. for Iowa County. At 10:41 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Spring Green, or 9 miles... The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for western Dane County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles southeast of Spring Green, or 10 miles northeast of Dodgeville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Mount Horeb, Mesomania, Black Earth around 11 p.m., Cross Plains around 11:05 p.m., Western Madison, Middleton, and Verona around 11:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mount Vernon, Barneveld, Pine Bluff, Blue Mount St. Park, Blue Mounts, Marksville, Owendale, and Arena. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.